Yeah. Well. Here. Oh, there we go. Alright, so it is probably enough that my watch isn't coming on by itself, but it's 6:40 and rainy outside. So, let's see what's going on, I guess. Oh, good Lord. Oh, wait, doesn't look too bad. Maybe I should get out. Throw it on the tube. You know, the sun was over there. It's kind of creeping over there. Anyway. I'm really just waiting on the weather at this point. I don't know what I'll do today besides clean up and organize some stuff, which I've got plenty to do there as well. And kind of just sitting in that I'm a liveaboard now, which was my goal, to travel the world. Check out this weather. Woohoo! Why anyone choose anything different? I don't know.
Strap stuff onto our appendages, like our hands.
So, after all these days of unrest, it is like glass out here. Glass, baby. It's crazy smooth, like it's a mirror, babe. You can totally freaking skate on this stuff. Everybody's back out. The construction hasn't started yet. Nice day for a sail after lunch when the wind picks up. All right, so freaking Coney Island, Manhattan Beach, right there. That's the little college beach. That's Coney Island. All right. What? Yeah.
Come swim after me if I fall in.
I got you, brother. I know the recovery.
Sailing.
Woohoo!
I just went for a swim.
Got you, buddy. Oh man. So, interestingly enough, there's nobody steering, nobody doing anything, no motor on. Although we're adjusting the steering a little bit as it goes. I think that jib, I'm gonna pull that jib in. Here, let me sail her a second and see what I can do with it. To go away, this novelty, this freaking butterflies in our stomachs that we've got. Just because this is so freaking awesome. They put another one. Oh, for sure. Well, he's only got one up, but he's got his power up. He should have, but he didn't. And where we're at with that. Pull that in just a little bit. Maybe somebody can teach me about that. If anybody ever watched this, it's never gonna happen. We are heeled over, and the wind just picked up. We got about 7 knots. I got to get my wind reading fixed, man. I don't know how fast we've got to deal with. So this is why a sailboat is kind of round, because you sit like that most of the time. 7 knots. Woo! 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 Bro, we're gonna dip the fucking rails over here. No, man. See if she's good. Hit it.
Yeah, we were chilling at 7.
And now we got what?
That's 7.5, 7.7.
Yeah.
Dude, we were almost at 8.
So it does 8 knots, man. Pretty comfortable. Like, we're biting the hell out of the wind right now, but it'll do 8 knots in a little bit of wind, a little more wind than this. It doesn't heel as much and it'll still go 8. But it will race like this too. Coney Island. Yeah. Makes me think of what's that? Pinocchio, bro. Yeah, that's like the bad place. That's where all the bad kids went. That's where they grew tails and turned into donkeys and shit.
I guess you're Geppetto, right?
Yes. Yeah. I don't know if you want to go there, young man. But yeah, no. I mean, it looks cool. I remember a bunch of sticky candy and a bunch of people and everything. I wasn't really, you know.
Sounds fun.
Right, exactly. It depends on if that's your thing. What's that out there?
Lighthouse.
A lighthouse? Let's go to the lighthouse.
Yeah, you want to go sail around?
Yeah, let's do it, brother. We'll sail around that puppy. Just for the hell of it. Let's go that way and then back this way. Just because this is so awesome.
We are
Cooking too, man. Woo!
it's cold.
Woo!
Can I get a visual?
Just go towards the lighthouse. You don't have anything between you and the lighthouse. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Going up on deck. Yeah, you got a ship way over there, but you're good. Oh, it's a fisher. Those are net cranes. Woo! So today was a complete success. Not a complete success, but mostly a success. We didn't break anything, so I'm generally used to breaking something about every time I go sailing. I like to heel the boat over a lot and all that. I like to make sure it's. Well, something just hit that, so let's see what happened there. So there's something just ran over. Check it out, see what's going on. Okay, so I'm assuming that was a lure or something that somebody left or lost, and I just ran over it, but the motor, but the prop ate it up. So it wasn't very strong, whatever it was. Anyway, headed back. Boat just dropped off. Sage, and headed back to the boat. Day. All right, got a big old pail of food, and it looks like the sun's set is about here. So I'm gonna turn the engine off. Do a sunset. What a day. What's up, Bob? What's up, brother? Miss you, man. Went out sailing today. It was crazy. We got 8 knots with probably 10 knots of wind. Anyway, you guys have a good day. Make it the best one yet. Call this an evening and throw another shrimp on the bobby.